Hello and welcome. My name is Greg and allow me to present to you this Ford Ka Plus that is now available to view at our dealership. Specifically, this is the Ford Ka Plus finished here in the Zetec trim with white paintwork as well. In terms of equipment, there's plenty to like. In the front, daytime running lights can be found and this brushed chrome grille looks really nice and trendy as well. This car will offer you additional space that's available thanks to the Ka Plus design, whilst you even have a set of 15-inch chrome alloy wheels on offer as well. This particular model has also been fitted with a couple of optional extras, which I'll discuss with you very shortly. Being a 5-door, there is, believe me or not, loads of space in the rear for up to 3 passengers. The cloth upholstery is finished in this two-tone trim to give it a bit more of a premium feel, and there's even magazine holders in the back to keep your passengers happy and occupied. This vehicle will benefit from minimum 12-month warranty to also give you complete peace of mind when purchasing the car. Boot space is absolutely cavernous and can easily swallow up to 3, maybe even 4 large suitcases. If you ever needed more space, you can always fold down the rear seats 60-40 split to create even more space. A quick glimpse inside the front of the cabin will also reveal a modern and stylish interior. There's a leather-wrapped steering wheel on offer, as well as a large touchscreen which will have all your entertainment needs covered. I hope you enjoyed this brief introduction into this Ford's exterior. Let us now move inside the cabin to find out more. Once behind the wheel, it's a very nice place to be in. Everything's logically laid out and all the controls are easy within reach, whilst the leather-wrapped steering wheel is also multifunctional and can control the likes of your cruise control directly at your fingertips and even volume controls accordingly on the left-hand side as well. Speedo is very easy to read and understand, and in the center there is a large infotainment screen. The car features an optionally fitted city pack, which will give you the benefit of power folding wing mirrors and even reverse parking sensors, whilst the winter pack will even offer you front heated seats. Bluetooth controls for your phone, DAB digital radio, and even AndroidAuto Apple CarPlay smartphone integration is also on offer. You can even optimize vehicle sound setting, and the system is very quick and easy to use as well. As you can see, the rear parking sensors are even audible and visual on the screen as well. As we move down the cabin, easy to use buttons can be found, and the climate control system can easily be operated, and it even features a heated front windscreen as well as 2-stage heated front seats for the driver and the passenger. This has been a presentation of the Ford Ka Plus that is now available to view and test drive at our dealership, along with a range of flexible finance options. To find out more, contact our friendly sales team today on 01270 864 452. Many thanks for watching and we look forward to hearing from you.